Dongguan Bozhida Engineering Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, who is one of leading manufacturer of front-end attachments and accessories of excavators in China with wealth production experience and technology. Our main products was all types of excavator long reach boom, excavator buckets, quick hitch, can make the products fitting for all types of excavators. Also, we can produce large steel welding equipment according to customers' requirements. The manufacturing area of our company was about 38,000 square meters. We have long-time cooperation with many big brand regional distributor of excavators, and we have exported to North America, Europe, Middle East, South America, Asia, so on. We have the advanced production equipment in the whole industry, like automatic welding equipment, double-sided boring machine. Our products have the highest standard of welding throughout China, cause of 90% works with more than 7 years welding production experience. All of our major products has been CE certified and ISO 9001 certified. In addition, all of our logistics equipment products have been sandblasted and vanish baked. All of our products must need ultrasonic inspection before shipment. We have professional post-installation and product maintenance team. Welcome the customers from all over the world to visit our big and professional factory. I believe that you will be interested in doing long-time cooperation with us. Thanks for your watching. Kindly feel free to contact me if you have interested our products.